Good morning, boys and girls. Finally, I am doing a new video today for you. Let me make it smaller. Okay, for the ones that have not been in class, remember you can just watch all the videos and just follow the steps and you can do all your work. So don't worry, of course you can do it. And let's begin. For the ones that have not been here, we have been learning now about measuring. And this is our second class of measuring. Yesterday we reviewed centimeters and meters. Who remembers how many centimeters equals 1 meter? Okay, if you are back, it's because you already answered. And exactly, let me show you. 1 meter is exactly the same as 100 centimeters. Okay? This is something you have to remember because today we're going to change numbers. We're going to convert them. We're going to change from meters to all the answer in centimeters. So before we do that, here I have my meter sticks, remember? So you have to understand that this is 100 centimeters, okay? Okay? So 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Actually, let me erase it. If I bring another one, then I have 2 meters. Sorry, let me put them here and make it here smaller so you can see. Let's put them in order. Let's make this a little bit smaller. There. So now that I have 2 meters, how many centimeters do I have in all? In centimeters. Exactly. If you are back, it's because some of you already answered that 2 meters is equal to 200 centimeters. Okay? What if I bring another meter? How many centimeters do I have in all? Not meters. I know I have 3 meters, but how many centimeters is that? Exactly, boys. If you are back, you already said that 3 meters, 3 big rulers, is the same as 300 centimeters. And I can continue like that. 4 meters, 400 centimeters. 5 meters, 500 centimeters. 6 meters, 600 centimeters, etc. Okay? So now here, sorry, here comes the tricky part, okay? Pay a lot of attention. And this is what you're going to do today in your book. Imagine they say you have 4 meters and 25 let's put it short, centimeters. You have to change this number that has meters and centimeters. We have to put the answer only in centimeters. We have to erase the meters, but it's not like erasing, okay, I erased the 4 meters, so I only have 25 centimeters. No. Look how we're gonna do it. Here, I have to put how many centimeters in all. Someone has an idea before I explain it? Okay, if you are back, I heard some of your answers. And now let's see the answer. Ready? Everyone drum rolls. Okay, 4 meters and 25 centimeters is this. Look, I put another ruler. So that's 4 meters. And then I have from another ruler, I have only, let me do a shape, 25 centimeters. Here, formas. Let's go down to find a rectangle. No, here. It doesn't let me do it the way I want. Then let me draw it. Okay, I have another ruler. This is super little, but let's imagine this is almost there, 25 centimeters, okay? It's not the whole ruler, it's only 25. Actually, it's more because if this is 30, 25, it's almost like here. But well, let me see if I can make it bigger. Yeah, there it is. That's kind of 25 centimeters, okay? So what you have to do is change all this number to just centimeters. What it means, if I know that 4 meters equals how many centimeters? Exactly 400, then I kind of do an addition. This, why is it like that? This would be 400 centimeters. We already changed it to centimeters. Okay, plus the other 5 centimeters that I already have here. So how many centimeters do we have in all? Exactly. We have 425 centimeters. Ta-da! You see, it's not so difficult when you pay attention, but it can get tricky if no one has ever told you this or you have never seen it. So don't worry, we're going to do more examples right now. I just want to make sure that you understand this part. If you have meters, the only thing you have to do is change it to centimeters. And we already saw 1 meter, 100 centimeters, 2 meters, 200, 3, 300, 4, 400, 5, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Okay? Understand? Yeah? So you just change it and add it. And don't really do an addition. You could do an addition the way you do it like this, like 400. If you have to, of course, do it. But it will take longer, but of course you can do it. The important thing is you do it good. Then you add 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus, or 0 plus 2, 2. And 4 plus 0, 4. So it's 425. Okay, of course you can do it like that. But don't even do it. When we practice expanded form a long time ago, if you just say the number, that's what you put. Here is 425. 425, okay? When it's hundreds, you can add like this. When you have other numbers, you cannot just add like that, just putting the two numbers together like that. No, no, no. Only when they are hundreds. 100 plus 60, 160. 400 plus 80, 480. 500 plus 28, 528. But again, if you get confused, don't worry. Of course, you can make your addition like this to make sure you get it good. Okay? So this is what we're doing. First, you change your meters to centimeters, and then you add the other centimeters that you have, and that way you say the complete answer only in centimeters. Okay, so let's go and do more examples. This is from your math book. Okay, so here is, let's learn how we explain it. Let's practice. Here it says 1 meter and 25 centimeters is more than 1 meter. Okay, here what they are doing, if you see separating the number the way I told you, they are first doing this 1 meter and they put it here at the top. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. And then the second part, 25 centimeters, they put it down. Okay, they leave it in centimeters because it's already in centimeters. So now we have 100 centimeters, this in the top here, they put it here, okay, plus 25 centimeters is, ta-da, your answer is exactly what we did, but it's a little more tricky, but it's the same thing. They add the two numbers, okay? So here is the same thing, they separate it. So 2 meters, first they put it on the top, let's put 2 meters, and down the centimeters that it's already in centimeters, 72. But now here we're missing these squares because we have to change the 2 meters to centimeters. So 2 long meter rulers equals how many centimeters? 2 meters equals, excellent, 200 centimeters. And now the only thing is that we add the numbers. So all the numbers in centimeters. So first we have 200 centimeters. Let's put it here. 200 centimeters plus, excellent, 72 centimeters. And this is where I tell you, you don't even have to add vertically what we learned. You already know what is horizontal, vertical. Okay, only when it's hundreds, it's easy to add because you have here zero. So we say 272. That's the answer. 272. Thumbs up? Easy or difficult? Very good. Now let's practice together. This is exactly how you will do it in your Google Slides today or in your math book if you want to use your book and your mommy lets you. So we have to change 1 meter 75 centimeters, change it to only centimeters. Okay? Is it time already? Someone is already talking on the chat. I can see you over there. Isa is already saying hello, but I cannot answer because I am doing this. I am doing the video. And she's already asking, where is the miss? I still have 5 minutes, enanos hermosos. Okay. And Santiago saying, I don't know. Okay, let me finish the video. So here, meters is the one you need to change to centimeters. So the two numbers are in centimeters and then we can put them together. So 1 meter equals how many centimeters? Exactly. You can even put it here if you want, so you don't lose time. This is 100 centimeters, and then you just add the other centimeters. So 175, that's the first one. I'm gonna do the second one with you, and then you try and do the next two by yourself. 2 meters, how many centimeters it is? Yay! A pat on your back to the ones that said 200 centimeters. If you still get confused, remember 2 meters are two of the yellow big lines. So one big line ruler. The first big ruler is 100. The second bigger ruler is 200. 200 centimeters. So 200 centimeters. And then we add the 48 that we have here. So that's 248. 248. Now it's your turn. I'm going to pause the video, get your whiteboards, and everyone do this on your whiteboard or on a paper, but with big numbers. Okay, if you are back, let's see the answer. Yay, I'm so excited to see what you got. So 3 meters is 300 centimeters. So we already have the 2 in centimeters, so it's 300 plus 59 centimeters. Why I put centimeters there? It's 359 centimeters. Okay? The next one, do it on your whiteboard and come back and we'll see the answer. Okay, very good. Let's see who got it good. So 6 meters, it's 600 centimeters. Now this one is tricky and I did it on purpose because on your book you have one like this. Let's see who got it good. Here is plus 7 centimeters. Maybe some of you put it like this. And guess what? Dun, dun, dun. It's wrong. Read the number. 670. And 607, only 7 more. Is 670? No, right? It would be 70 if here we had a 0, but we don't have a 0. So let's see what maybe others put. Maybe others put just like this. They just put the 6 and the 7 together. Is that good? Dun, dun, dun. No, also is not good. We have 607 centimeters. So the correct answer was 607, because there are 7 ones. Remember, we learned these numbers all the way back, like in September. There are 7 ones. When you have just one, okay, it has to go in the ones, okay? Remember, it's not the same to say 607 than 670. Here you are putting the 7 in the tens, and it's not 70 here, it's just 7. So that's a 1. 7. You put it in the ones, okay? Here the 7 is in the tens, so that's 70. And here, well, that's it, because here I cannot put it. So pay attention especially to this last one, because yes, you have one like that in your page, in your math book, okay? So boys, now let's go and do your Google slides. Good luck.